Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily download and get started with PUBG on your Android tablet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in PUBG and search. Look for the PUBG mobile application from Level Infinite and tap on the install button. Wait for the application to download and install. It'll take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure you have the stable and fastest internet. PUBG is a multiplayer battle royale shooter where 100 players fight to be the last one standing on the large map. Make sure that your device meets the minimum requirements for the game. Also make sure that your tablet software has been updated to the latest version. And also make sure to check your device's storage. PUBG needs several GB free in order to get it started. Wait for the application to install, and once it does, you can play the game and enjoy smoother aiming on bigger screen. So there you have it. That is the process on downloading and getting started with PUBG Mobile on your tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.